The other day I was grocery shopping and I came across these unusual looking strawberries. Some were red and some were a light pink. It turns out that these are luxury strawberries from Japan. They're bred to be bigger, softer, and sweeter. With tax, each strawberry came out to about $7, so I thought I'd put them to the test and ask my family what they thought.
Really? Does it taste good?
This is my 4-year-old nephew, Liam.
Are these the best strawberries you ever had?
I'm going to take that as a yes, but FYI, he has the same reaction to every single strawberry he's ever eaten. Next up is my mom.
It is good, but still, one strawberry costs $7.
Yeah. Putting that aside for a moment, though, does it have a distinct taste? Does it taste different?
No,
Oh.
but still too expensive.
This is my brother Jason and Liam's father.
This one is $7?
Yeah.
Can I share with you?
Ian thinks it's worth $7.
Not worth $7.
Let's see what Anthony thinks about this $7 strawberry.
From the grocery store.
Tastes pretty sweet. Trying to figure out if I would notice any kind of difference. So, no.
This is Young Jung, my sister-in-law, and she tried one of the pinker or white strawberries.
Strawberry, yeah?
맛있어. Liam, you want to try?
He tried.
원래?
He ate $40 worth of strawberries already.
I think this is a $2. $2도 아깝다. $1?
And finally, my dad.
What did you do?
Just try this strawberry. It is $7 per strawberry. Is it worth $7?
How can I know that?
I don't know. Do you think it's the best strawberry you ever ate?
Strawberry is strawberry.
Yeah,
What do you mean?
I agree.
Yeah, a little bit the sweeter than ordinary one. I don't know.
So there you have it. I think I speak for the group when I say,
It's good. Doesn't knock my socks off.
But I don't have socks. Because I'm wearing my pajamas.